What's up, guys? Happy Saturday morning to you. This is Tim with Everything Sharp. Pocket dump time. We got the Divo Nip Slip Premium contoured carbon fiber and titanium scales. Beautiful knife. Purple anodized titanium pivot collars. S90V on the blade steel. Full height hollow grind. Got that paired with Rosie titanium stonewash blade. Excellent action, excellent ergos. Probably one of the best knives made. And then in the pocket we got the Trust Fire Mini 3. It's got a flood, it's got a spot, it's got a laser, and it's also got the red light on it. Pretty cool little flashlight. Recap: Divo Nip Slip Premium, Rosie, Trust Fire Mini 3, carry the Divo slip in a Duty's daggers, a custom slip made for me. What's in y'all's pockets? Have a great day.